Most people don't even realize they're stuck in a financial loop. They work hard, earn decently, yet by the end of the month, they're broke again. It's not always about low income, it's about how money flows out as fast as it comes in. We crave comfort, but comfort is sneaky. It tells you to relax today and worrying tomorrow. That mindset keeps people stuck. Growth lives outside of the comfort zone. It's not just about lacking money. It's small habits that silently drain wealth. Emotional spending, fear of investing, clinging to outdated beliefs, they add up over time. These behaviors are like invisible traps on the journey. Schools taught us how to work for money, but not how to make money work for us. That mindset trap is deep. To be rich, you need to shift how you think, not just what you earn. This video is your wake-up call. Want to be rich? Stop doing these 5 things. Seriously. Most people don't even realize they're sabotaging their financial future. Hey everyone, I'm Max, your guide here on the Max Focus channel, where we help you rewire your mind and redesign your life. If you're ready to ditch financial stress and take control of your money, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Quick heads up, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial advice, just sharing insights that changed my life and might help you too. In this video, we'll cover 5 surprisingly common habits that keep you poor, and how to break free from them. I'll share real-life stories, simple analogies, and practical mindset shifts. Grab a notepad, stay till the end, because just one mindset shift could be worth thousands in your future. Stop living beyond your means. A $5 coffee isn't ruining your future. It's the daily habit of spending without thinking. When you constantly spend more than you earn, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of stress. It's not about denying joy. It's about choosing long-term peace over short-term thrills. Think of it like a leaky bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, or how much money you make, it'll never fill if the holes aren't patched. Those holes are unnecessary spending, random online shopping, impulse upgrades, status-driven choices. You don't have an income problem, you have a leak problem. Lifestyle creep is sneaky. You get a raise, and instead of saving it, you upgrade your car, your apartment, your wardrobe. Suddenly, you're working just to support your new expenses. It's not a reward. It's a trap in disguise. Let's look at where the money really goes. Most Americans spend more on wants than wealth. If your budget is all eating out, subscriptions, and stuff, you're feeding comfort, not your future. Financial freedom requires intention, not indulgence. Number 2. Stop avoiding financial education. You can't grow your money if you don't understand how it works. Think of it like learning a new skill. The earlier you start, the better you'll be. Financial knowledge is a tool, not a luxury. Not learning about money is literally costing you money. Imagine trying to win a game where you don't know the rules. Sounds impossible, right? That's what managing money without education feels like. You lose by default. Most people only start learning about money after they've made expensive mistakes. Schools don't teach it, and we often wait until we're in crisis mode. But you don't have to wait. Learning now saves you pain later. You don't need a finance degree to start. Just pick up a podcast, a book, or videos like this one. Small, consistent steps build real knowledge over time. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Stop hanging around financially toxic people. If your 5 closest friends are always broke, always complaining about money, and never trying to improve, that energy drags you down. Over time, their habits become yours. Your environment shapes your mindset more than you think. Max hit a breaking point. He realized the people around him were keeping him stuck, not helping him grow. So he made a tough choice, distancing himself and finding a financial accountability group. That's when things started to change for the better. Have you heard of crab mentality? If you put a bunch of crabs in a bucket, they'll pull each other down so none escapes. That's exactly what toxic people do when you try to improve your life. Don't stay in the bucket, climb out. Want to grow? Surround yourself with people who are going places. You don't even need to know them in real life. Follow inspiring leaders online. Listen to success stories. Absorb wealth mindset content. Feed your mind with elevation, not limitation. Stop thinking that your time is the only thing that can earn you money. If every dollar you make comes from your time, you'll eventually run out of both. Rich people build systems that work without them constantly being involved. That's how wealth really grows. Imagine your income like a fire. Chopping wood keeps it going, but only as long as you chop. But if you plant fruit trees, they keep giving year after year. Passive income is like those trees: low effort, over time, long-term rewards. Start thinking like a planter, not a chopper. You don't need to go big right away. Even renting out a spare room or selling a small digital product online is a step toward freedom. These small seeds can grow into something massive. The key is just to start planting. Shift your mindset from "I need to work more hours" to "How can I create more value?" Wealth flows to those who solve problems, not those who just stay busy. Stop being the woodcutter. Start being the builder of fruit forests. Number 5. Stop being afraid of taking calculated risks. Fear is what keeps most people stuck in the same place. They want to grow, they dream of more, but the discomfort of change holds them back. Real growth requires courage, not just desire. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to take the leap. Think of it like staying in the kiddie pool. It's safe, shallow, and warm, but you'll never learn to really swim. To go deeper and reach more, you've got to take the step into the deep end. That's where you discover what you're truly capable of. Calculated risks aren't reckless, they're bold, thoughtful moves. Starting a side hustle, investing wisely, learning new skills, these push you forward. They may feel uncomfortable, but they open doors to real growth. What's truly risky is doing nothing and hoping things magically change. Let's get one thing straight. Your mindset around money can either be your biggest asset or your greatest enemy. If deep down, you think money is evil, or that being rich makes you a bad person, your subconscious will block wealth like a locked vault. Your beliefs become the ceiling of your financial life. The truth is, mindset is everything. I used to think $100 was a lot. That thought alone held me back for years. I wouldn't invest, take chances, or even dream bigger because I was stuck at that level. Only when I changed that belief did money start flowing. Your mind works like a thermostat. If it's set to 50, you'll always come back down even if you spike temporarily to 70. Unless you adjust your internal settings, your wealth will never stay high. You have to raise your mental temperature. You can start right now. Replace fear with gratitude. Replace scarcity with abundance. Start telling yourself that you're worthy of wealth and see how the world starts changing for you. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It's built one habit at a time. Like bricks on a strong foundation, every small decision adds up. The sooner you start building good habits, the sooner your future self will thank you. Start with budgeting. It's not about restricting your life. It's about directing your money. When you know where every dollar goes, you're in control. Control brings clarity, and clarity builds confidence. Invest regularly. Even small amounts can grow big with time and consistency. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Let your money do the heavy lifting while you stay on your mission. Mindset is everything. Wealth starts in your head before it ever shows in your bank account. Believe you're worthy of success, and build from there. That belief will guide your habits, and your habits will shape your reality. The truth is, wealth isn't just for the lucky or the born rich. It's for the disciplined, the learners, and the ones who decide to do better. If this video gave you even one helpful insight, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to the Max Focus channel. Let's talk in the comments. Which of these 5 habits are you ready to let go of? Your breakthrough might inspire someone else. This is Max from Max Focus channel. Rewire your mind. Redesign your life. Thanks for watching. And remember, your future wealth starts with what you stop doing today. See you in the next one.